You've seen offers like this, right? A post goes viral promising something huge, like a full year of Google's Gemini Pro AI for free. And you kind of think, that seems a little too good to be true. So, is it? Today, we're going to deconstruct exactly how this one specific offer claims to work and what free really means in this case.
So the video that breaks this all down starts with a really strong hook. It mentions the official student deal, but then it's like, hey, here's a way for everyone else. It's a massive promise. But with that little hint of mystery, that classic catch, it's what gets you hooked.
So what exactly is being promised here? We're not talking about some 30-day trial. The claim is a full 12-month subscription to a premium AI service. And this is the big part, no credit card needed, and you don't have to prove you're a student. It's basically promising a way to skip all the usual hoops you have to jump through.
Now, this is where it gets interesting. Instead of showing you how to do it, the video flips the script and jumps straight to the end. It actually shows a code being successfully redeemed. And this is, a classic move to build trust and show you right from the start, hey, look, this thing actually works.
And there it is, the big payoff, right at the beginning. The video shows this screen, subscription redeemed, with the subscription good for a full year. By showing you this first, they're getting you to think, okay, I'm in. Show me the steps, because I've already seen the proof.
All right, so they've shown you it works, supposedly. Now the video rewinds and walks you through how to do it. And it all centers around this one website called the Code Chest. So let's break down exactly what they tell you to do.
The whole thing is laid out as 4 simple steps. You grab your smartphone, and that's important for later. You find the offer, you hit a button, but step 4, that's the key. That's where the secret is. To get the code, you have to complete 2 sponsored offers. This is the whole engine behind it.
And yeah, that 4th step is really the heart of the matter. This is that catch they mentioned right at the start. See, the service isn't free because of some glitch or a secret loophole. Nope, it's built around a very specific online business model. So we really need to understand how this whole thing works.
So, this really brings us to the big question, right? If you're not paying with your credit card and you're not a student, how on earth is some website just giving away a premium subscription? Who is actually paying for all this?
Well, the video actually tells us straight up. It says the site is powered by these sponsors. Basically, these other companies are paying the website, but they're not just giving away money. In exchange, you, the user, have to complete a couple of tasks for them to unlock your code.
So let's just think about this like a trade. On one side, you're providing your time. You're downloading apps, which helps their rankings in the App Store, and you might be sharing some of your data with these new apps. And what do you get in return? The claim is you get that unique code. It's a transaction. It just doesn't use cash.
Okay, so we know the whole thing is built on these sponsored offers, but what does that even mean? What do you actually have to do? Well, the video gives us 2 very clear examples.
The first one is a little weird. For this casino app, the instructions are super specific. They tell you not to search for DraftKings Casino directly. Instead, you search for a generic word like gambling, find the app in the results, and then download it. This is almost certainly about gaming the App Store search rankings.
Now, the second example, way simpler. Just download this fantasy sports app, open it, and let it run for 30 seconds. The video even makes a point of saying you don't need to sign up. They're making it as easy and frictionless as possible. The goal here just seems to be getting a confirmed download and a little bit of activity.
So, you've done the work. You downloaded the apps, you ran them for a bit. Now what? This is the final step, where the whole system is supposed to check your work and give you your prize. According to the video, you just pop back to the website and boom, it updates to show that you've done your part. You get this little confirmation message, 2 of 2 offers completed. It's like a green light saying you've held up your end of the deal. And with that confirmation, the code that was all blurred out before becomes totally visible. You can then just copy that code, which is supposed to be your golden ticket to the Gemini Pro subscription. Okay, but there's a really important warning here that the video points out. Each code is unique. It's one-time use only. So you can't just go and copy the code you saw in the video. It's already been used. The whole point is that each person has to go through the entire process to get their own personal code. So let's pull all of this together and zoom out for a second. We've seen the big claim, the proof, and the whole step-by-step process. But what this really shows us is the engine behind these kinds of free online offers. The real transaction that's actually taking place under the hood.
This whole thing fits into a pretty common business model online. It's a system where you don't pay with cash,
You pay with your actions. You complete these tasks, downloading apps, filling out surveys, whatever, that sponsors are willing to pay for. That sponsor money is then what allows the website to go out and buy the products, like these Gemini Pro codes that they're giving away.
And that leaves us with one last really important question to think about. In this case, free wasn't actually free. It cost a few minutes of your time and a couple of app downloads. So the next time you see a deal like this, just ask yourself, if you're not paying with your money, what are you paying with? Your time? Your attention? Your data? Understanding that hidden currency is everything.